Welcome! Today, we're going to discuss one of the features available to you on NeuralSeek. Intent categorization plays a crucial role in managing and organizing the ever-increasing number of intents within your NeuralSeek instance. As your number of intents grows, the Curate tab can become overwhelming to navigate and handle efficiently. By creating intent categories, users can map queries to specific teams or departments responsible for managing them with the overall process flow. Let's look at where to find it. From the home page of NeuralSeek, select Configure, then scroll down to Intent Categorizations and open up the drop-down. To be able to use this feature, the first thing you want to do is create an intent category. You can make as many categories as you want. Once you create a category, the next step is to add a description, so you know what intents should be included in that category. The description you provide will be used in the backend to match intents to categories. Once done, hit Save. You can also choose to manually add intents. To do this, head over to the Curate tab. On this tab, select one of the intents you have and a blue bar will appear. The first option on the bar will be to edit a category. Select that and open the drop-down to show all the categories you have. You can freely choose which categories goes with the intents. Users can also filter by category on the top left corner. Adding an intent to a category is further utilized in training and allows NeuralSeek to further understand what type of questions should be included in the given category. One final thing is that categories play a role in analytics. If you head over to the Analytics tab, you can see the analytics for certain categories. Doing this allows you to track and measure the performance of intents within their respective categories. Now you're ready to put these practices to use within your own NeuralSeek instance. Thank you.